Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing well. So today I have whole frozen mackerel that I got right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them. I've never bought these before, so I'm just going to take them out, thaw it out and wash them. I'm going to see if they're already cleaned and scaled. So let me go see what I'm working with after I thaw it out, and I'll get back to you shortly. Hello everyone, so today I am making fried mackerel and okra. So earlier today what I did was I thawed out the mackerel that I got frozen. They were all frozen. They were good thing they were already basically scaled. All I had to do was gut it out, clean the inside, wash it out, and basically they look pretty good. You see how the eyes are very clear? That's how you could tell and pick good fish. Make sure that they're fresh. You look at the eyes, okay? Make sure that they're clear. When they look very opaque, you might have to think twice about that fish. So here are the ingredients. Of course, we have whole mackerel, cleaned and thawed out. And we have some cut up fried okra that we're gonna fry. And we have salt and pepper. That's Himalayan pink salt, and that is garlic powder. And we have black pepper. We have onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, and tomato. And again, we have another set of spices here for the fish that we're gonna fry. Okay guys, so basically you take the fish. I got the salt and pepper and the garlic powder on it. Just rolling the fish inside of the cornstarch or flour, whatever you like, whatever you prefer, guys. And then fry it. Okay guys, now we're going to start the okra. So we're going to go ahead, throw it all in there. And just saute. And then we add the okra, salt and pepper, and the garlic powder. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add the okra. Guys. So you see I have my heat on basically close to low. Let's check our okra that was covered. See? So make sure it's not slimy, right? Don't have the heat too high. Make sure you cover it and you just simmer softly. If you need to add more oil because it's kind of dry and it's burning up on the bottom, go ahead and add a little bit more oil, but keep it not too high for it to basically not burn, okay? Guys, thank you for watching. See you again next time. Kain na tayo!